Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Shi Yin. I mean, for these 2 days, actually, I learned a lot, especially know about the property as a negotiator. What's the things that we can do and cannot do. Then the interesting part will be today we learn a lot of property law. Then we also know how to differentiate the title, to look at the title. Yeah, this course is very good. It boosts up my confidence, especially how to deal with a client with a proper way and with a confidence of it. To all of you out there, I would recommend you to join Excel Academy.